Don't let them and make them get attached with the iPads and iPhones and internet and the laptops and the computer, because you will lose something very important. What is that? You will lose their obedience. Yes, they are your son at the end, they are your daughter at the end, but are they gonna listen to you, obey you? The chances is very less. I'm not saying completely no, but the chances is very less. Why? Because you let them at that small age getting involved with the iPads and iPhones and the tabs and things like that. And what will happen? What we'll see in these tabs and things? Obviously nothing except, pointless programs, pointless cartoons. And since you don't have control over them, what they are doing, you will lose everything. You will lose everything. When they grow up with these technology and with these devices and these gadgets, it will affect their health, it will affect their brain, it will affect their eyes, it will affect a lot of things that you do not know. And when they grow up, when they become 10, 12, they have problem in understanding things. They are very slow to understand things. And they are very slow to do the calculations or to do things like that. We don't want that. We want to follow the prophets. As Allah Almighty said, and I keep repeating this verse every time, everywhere. Allah said about the prophets, فَبِهُدَاهُمْ اِقْتَدِي. Follow the prophets, follow their ways, follow what they used to do, and you will be guided.